broken pieces laying on the floor. Can we just stop for a second before we let everything go to waste? How many tears, how many scars, what's left of us?
I'm a child, I'm a boy, I'm a living freaking hell. And I'm a void who's addicted to a different kind of spell. But you know, I'm not afraid of the monsters creeping in my bed. I wanna have them near and not inside my head. Baby, I'm fooling around and getting up from the ground to fire. Am I filling the void for you?
There is always time to get back on track, tearing down the walls slowly every step. Now I see myself building up a world on freedom. You will find a way to begin again. No more time to waste or to play pretend. Now I see myself building up a world of freedom.
What if I told you that I need you? Shadows underneath us.
I've been taking time, moving side by side, with myself and then you arrive. And darling, go, let's face it, nobody can break it. I just keep on waiting you. Ooh, I just keep on waiting. I've been taking time.